What's up, everyone? I'm so excited for ResusX, and one of the things I'm most excited about are the workshops. Now, the workshops are buffet style. We want you to find a workshop that you like, go and attend it, and this way you can shore up your skills for things that you're not so familiar with and skip over the things that you're good with. And so we've set up some signups for you where you can go sign up for and customize your experience at the conference. This is a sample of a page that you'll be seeing in the email, and this is for day one morning session. There'll be one for day two afternoon session, and there'll be one for day two morning session, and then last one is for day two afternoon sessions. Now, many of the morning sessions flop into the afternoon, so if you missed it in the morning, you'll get some in the afternoon, but look carefully because some of them will only be happening in the morning. I want to give you a walkthrough on how this is going to go. So you'll see three tabs up here. This is the first rotation, which is 10:30 to 11. This is 11 to 11:30, and the final rotation will be 11:30 to 12. So the workshops are happening from 10:30 to 12, but you'll have three different rotations. And so what you're going to do here is click on the first tab because you want to pick out what you want to attend. So I'm going to go through and say, wow, there's a lot of workshops here, and some of these might be happening in the afternoon too, but I have to pick one. So I'm going to pick the pacemaker workshop. That's what I want to take at 10:30 on day one. I click here trying to sign up for another one. It won't let me because you can only attend one workshop. If you change your mind, just unselect it, select it here, and do the fiber optic workshop. Now we've picked that first time slot. After that, we have to pick our second time slot, which is going to be at 11 a.m. Now you have a fresh set of signups. You probably don't want to sign up for fiber optic again, but you'll still see it here. But let's say you want to do time frame waveforms. Good. Sign up for it. Again, try to sign up for something else. It will not let you. And then finally, let's get the final one here, the final time slot. And here I definitely want to do APRV with Rory Spiegel. Now look, none of these rotations are mandatory. If you want a break and you just want to walk around and listen in on some sessions, that's fine. But to be an active participant, you must sign up for these workshops. If you don't sign up for these workshops, you just have to go first come, first serve when you get there. Maybe there'll be a spot open when you walk by, but we cannot guarantee. Also, I have to tell you that if you did not sign up for a workshop and you change your mind and you go to a workshop that's already full, unfortunately, you might be turned away. We'll do everything possible to get you into the workshops that you want, but rather than figuring that out on the day of the conference, why not just sign up now and get it out of the way? So in the email, you're going to see 4 different links. One is going to be for day one morning, one is for day one afternoon, the next is for day two morning, then the last one is for day two afternoon. Get your signups in, reserve your workshops, and I can't wait to see you at ResusX. Don't hesitate to email me if you have any questions or concerns. See you soon.